With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so here the question is study carefully the following statements and select the incorrect ones. So the first statement is when fats are used in respiration, the RQ is more than unity because fats contain more oxygen and require relatively less amount of oxygen for oxidation. Now, RQ or respiratory quotient is the ratio of the volume of carbon dioxide to the volume of oxygen taken in respiratory process. So, RQ will be the ratio of carbon dioxide to oxygen. Now, in case of fats, the value of RQ falls in as the fatty substances. In fatty substances, the proportion of oxygen to carbon is less than that in carbohydrate. So, in fats, the oxygen to carbon ratio is less than that in carbohydrates. Now, this will in this the large amount of oxygen will be required for the oxidation of fats. If we for example, if we take a reaction here such as tripalmitin, so this will be C51 H98O6. This is tripalmitin. So the reaction will be 2 molecules of tripalmitin plus 145 molecules of oxygen, and this will form 102 molecules of carbon dioxide, 98 molecules of water plus energy. So here the RQ will be somewhat 102 by 145. So this will be somewhat of 0.7, and this is less than 1. So this is less than 1. So in case of fatty acids, the RQ will be less than unity, and here it is stated that this will be more than unity. So this is a wrong statement. Now the second statement, that is the most important energy carrier is ATP, and these energy rich compounds is mobile and can pass from one cell to another. So in the ATP or adenosine triphosphate is an energy carrying molecule, and it is found in cells of all living things. The ATP captures the chemical energy obtained from the breakdown of food molecules, and it releases the energy to fuel other cellular processes. So yes, this is a most important energy carrier, and this is a mobile compound. But ATP cannot pass from one cell to another. So here, as it is said that it can pass from one cell to another, this part of this statement is wrong. So this is also a wrong statement. Now the third statement, that is before pyruvic acid enters Krebs cycle, one of the two carbon atoms of pyruvic acid is reduced to carbon dioxide in the reaction called reductive carboxylation. So in Krebs cycle, the initial stage of oxidation of pyruvic acid is the removal of carbon dioxide, and this is done in an oxidative decarboxylation. So the process is oxidative decarboxylation. Now, oxidative decarboxylation is a process in which the carbon dioxide is produced through the removal of a carbon group as result of the oxidation reactions. So here it is stated as a reductive carboxylation. So this is also a wrong statement. Now the fourth statement, which is a special electron carrier system located in the mitochondrial membrane is called shuttle system. It transfers electron from the hydrogens of cytoplasmic NADH to the mitochondrial electron carriers across the mitochondrial membrane. So the mitochondrial shuttles are systems that are used to transport the reducing agents across the inner mitochondrial membrane. And the NADH as well as NAD plus cannot cross the membrane, but it can reduce another molecule like FAD and QH2. So the molecules are FAD and QH2. These molecules can cross the membrane so that its electrons can reach the electron transport chain. So here this is a correct statement. And now the last statement, that is zymase is a complex mixture of many enzymes which requires several coenzymes for its action. The enzyme complex zymase catalyzes series of reaction taking place during fermentation leading to the production of ethyl alcohol. So zymase occurs naturally in yeasts and it is used in conditions where the pancreas cannot make or doesn't release enough digestive enzymes into the small intestines. So this can happen in several medical conditions like chronic pancreatitis and gastrointestinal surgery, etc. So here this is also a correct statement. So in this question the incorrect statements will be 1, 2 and 3.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.